How can you make sure your remodeling contract stays on budget and doesn't turn into the big money pit?
How do you keep control of those costs is always a huge question. So 3 points and a bonus in this one for you. So first, define what you're doing and why you are doing it. Whenever you're clear on what you want to do, but even more importantly, why you're doing it. So that helps control this because it's very easy as you start getting into it to start thinking and going over and adding to what's going on in the project. When you have the idea of why you're doing it, that why will keep you on track. So the second piece, what type of finishes do you want in your home? There's three different levels of finish. You've got a foundational finish, which is the basics. So you've got a mid-level, which is a little bit higher. So and you've got a custom and high-end type of finish. So you have to know which level that is, convey that to your contractor so they're able to help you. Whenever you're clear on that in the beginning and stick to that, it'll help control your cost. So third, so you want to plan everything that you're doing ahead of time for your remodel. What I see so often is people get into the process, homeowners get in the process, and they start making emotional decisions. Emotional decisions typically end up costing you money because you want to do more, you want to add more. So in those little $300, $500, $700 extra charges, by the time you get to the end of the project, add up to a lot of money. And your bonus on this one, so the cherry on top bonus, is set a contingency budget. So what this is for us is a percentage of the contract total that's set aside just in case. That can be for things we find when we're remodeling the house or for additions that you want to make as we're going through it. So whenever you go ahead and nail all of these, it's going to help make your project run smoother. So, and it's definitely part of what we go over in our 5-day Remodeling Made Easy challenge. So in this challenge, we help you create your remodeling roadmap for your upcoming remodel or renovation project or your addition that you want to go ahead and do. So all you have to do to be a part of our upcoming challenge is go to remodelingmadeeasychallenge.com. So you see it there on the screen. So make sure to go ahead and grab that link. So go there, get registered now. So we look forward to seeing you at our upcoming Remodeling Made Easy 5-day Remodeling Made Easy challenge that should be starting soon.